Capsule number 21, friends, is customer profitability analysis. Remember, friends, not every customer is equally profitable, right? Every customer, though we sell same product, though we sell same number of products, then to each customer does not give you same profit. Then I need to know exactly each customer is giving how much profit. I want to know this. So we do like this. We use activity based costing to do customer profitability analysis, and it is done like this. There are 3 customers A, B, C. We write down the sales, then we write down cost of goods sold, and then we write gross margin, gross profit. And after that, the activities consumed by the customer is, calculated, and then accordingly cost is charged. Like transportation. If one customer is staying far away, so transportation cost will be more. If the customer is nearby, transportation cost will be less, right? Then customer visit. Suppose if I have to visit twice for installation, so customer visit cost would be more. But if the installation is done by the client itself, he says I will do it on my own, so in that case there is no customer visit, right? So it depends upon the activities consumed by the customer, and accordingly cost will be charged. So that is the reason why activity based costing is used to charge this indirect cost, and then we get the final net profit of the customer. And this profit will tell us exactly which customer has given us how much profit. Okay? And this is what is customer profitability analysis. There is a need to know which customer is giving you more profit, which is more profitable, which is least profitable. Okay, there might be a situation where we are making loss by selling to this customer. Might be possible. So these things are useful for friends decision making. And this customer profitability analysis is done using activity based. Okay. More sums are there in module you need to solve. It's very important.